3 types of acting workshops to check out. There are many different types of acting workshops that may seem interesting and worth exploring. Some you may want to participate in simply to improve upon your talents, while others you may sit in on to learn something new and broaden your skill set. Regardless of your intentions, there are a few workshops that are essential for ensuring you have a solid understanding of how to make it to the A-list. Here is the first type of acting workshop to check out. It's always a good idea to take classes that will help put your best foot forward at auditions. Taking workshops designed to help you choose the perfect monologue, slate properly, and ask all the right questions can give you a leg up on the competition. Even if you feel you know everything there is to know about how to walk through this process, you've been through many go-rounds, or you don't feel you need to brush up on your skills, attending a workshop can prove you wrong, and thus is worth a shot. It can also give you the confidence needed to nail it the next time you're in an audition room. Here is the second type of acting workshop to check out. Consider joining class or workshops centered solely around cold reading. This will help you get better at reading a script the first time you've seen it and make your efforts come across as seamless in front of casting directors. There are more steps to the script reading process than what at first meets the eye. There may even be more than you've realized as you're standing there, ready to do a cold read for a casting director. Attending a cold reading workshop will allow you to focus on everything but the words on the script when you're in the audition room. This will strengthen your physical presence, and some things it's the nonverbals that get you booked. Here is the third type of acting workshop to check out. Have you considered taking voiceover lessons? If not, you should. This type of work is very different from what you may be used to, and it can help deepen your understanding of technical skills, including vocal tone, pitch, and pauses. If your career hits a momentary low, moving forward with voiceover in the interim might be a great alternative to have in your back pocket. Voiceover acting has boomed since the onset of social media, and those reaching celebrity status much more quickly by starting at podcasts. Much like a roadshow host, your voice work has to be on point to get booked. Whether you've thought about doing traditional film work, starting your own podcast, narrating an advertisement, or getting started in radio, having these skills is critical to making it big. These are just 3 of the most important acting workshops to think about joining. Acting is so multifaceted that there are an endless amount of options. The next time your schedule slows down, scour the internet for those that seem most interesting.
To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.